So Younger Tool sent me over these 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and charger. This is great because these batteries do come in a 2-pack. It is 6 amp hours, and I feel like they are comparable to the original Makita battery that I have. You don't lose too much power when you're using them. I find for the price that this is just a better way to go. Now I use this with my leaf blower. I can usually go through about a battery and a half to get all those leaves cleaned up out of my yard. It does have a button here on the front, and that's going to actually display the battery life. And I just feel like these are great quality, especially with this quick charger. Now this thing from a dead battery all the way to fully charged in about an hour. So this is really nice. This thing charges those batteries up super fast. So when I'm in my yard using one of them, I always have a backup ready to go. It's all charged up. The display on the front is really nice. It shows you the percentage of battery that is charged up and how fast it is charging. It does shut off automatically when it's fully charged. And it's just really easy to slide the batteries on in. You're simply just gonna take it from the top, push them in, it locks in, and when they are done charging, there's a little button. Just take that and it slides right on out. And just overall, these are nice quality batteries. If you're looking to get some for your Makita power tools, this one right here would be a great choice. Thanks for watching.